Hey guys, and this looks like just a normal box, but it's actually a puzzle box. You would never suspect that, would you? Well, I would, because I made it. That was zoomed in too much. But I made this thing in about 20 minutes. I know, this little tiny thing in 20 minutes. You'd be surprised at how hard it was to make this little tiny little contraption. I'm gonna put my computer down a little bit right here. That's better. Way better. Okay, this is the box. This is the actual box. It's really small. I mean, my hands are really small, and this is small for my hands. But people would think that if they're really good with Legos, they would think that this thing is just because you ran out of normal blocks. This thing right here, but it's not. Well, this is actually a secret door. I mean, you can see it opening a little bit, but it's actually locked. I'm showing you all the sides because this first one and these two are how you open the box. That's the puzzle. Okay, so no one would ever suspect to do this, but pull this out. Needs to be upside down. This comes out. This is what was locking it. Isn't that surprising? This is what was locking it. Put these aside. And then the drawer opens. And this is a Lego dollar. Now, I know it's not very impressive. It would take about an hour or two to build a really big one, but I just made this small one in about 20 minutes. The reason why is because you have to know every single little thing to do. I mean, it seems easy, but once you start doing this, it's hard. Like, I couldn't come up with any ideas on what to make, so I just looked up a tutorial and it showed a good one. The first one I did, it didn't show how to use it, so I had to take that one apart, and that one took me about 15 minutes. But then I found the one that had this one, and yeah, I bend this so it can so now I'm going to show you the mechanism. Just take that out, and then if you open this up, hold on. Okay, this is the drawer, and yes, this is Patrick and Gary. I had no other Legos to use. These were the last ones. So yeah, this is the whole mechanism part. This thing helps with the lock. I mean, look. Hold on. This can usually easily just slide out, but if you put this right here, it blocks it. But we need to get that out, and I just put this together in about 20 minutes. Well, the reason why is because I was trying to find the Legos and stuff. Like, I don't have very many Legos, but yeah. So I'm gonna get some more Legos very soon, because I don't have very many. I'm just gonna put this back together. Oh, I forgot to put the dollar in. You can also put like a coin in it, like a dime or something. I've binned that so it can't come out, but sometimes it does come out. Most likely does. It won't do good. Let me try one more time. I'm sorry about this. Now it's already over 6 minutes and I'm just showing you me trying to bend this. Like, I need to bend this. Like that. So it won't come out. See? This thing won't come out now. So this is my puzzle box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.